Hey, what's up, guys? Today is Thursday, March the 27th. We are out here on our first of two jobs today. Actually, my ride along from last week is back with us today. Rodney from Charlotte, North Carolina, doing his second day. So anyway, guys, this is Mrs. Peggy. Mrs. Peggy reached out to me about a few weeks ago. Just sent pictures, verbal information, and the measurements. So what we're going to be doing on this job, my guys already got started, is a wax removal and just buffing the floors out. So I didn't ever come out here to do a consultation. Again, I'm gonna say about 80% of my jobs are booked with clients just send me pictures and information, and we just take it from there. And then after this, we got to go back to Decula and do a screen and recoat for a church. So anyway, guys, let me flip this around and show you what we got going today. All right, so it is a beautiful day out here. We are in Woodstock, Georgia. But it's really close to Roswell. It's not really like deep Woodstock. So let me show you guys what we got going. So my guy Tavares, because I went and did a consultation this morning. Alrighty. Sounds like they're upstairs. Miss Peggy? Hey, I'm Courtney.
Excuse me.
You're fine. Nice to meet you. All right, so the guys already got started?
They are.
Awesome.
I showed them around.
Okay.
If you stand right there,
Yep, I see it.
you can see.
Yes, ma'am.
Upstairs.
Yep. All right.
That floor gets more use, of course.
Gotcha. Okay, cool. Yes, ma'am, I do. All right. Well, we're gonna, we're taking the care for you.
Thank you. I had outpatient surgery yesterday.
Okay.
I'm not supposed to do anything.
Yep. Well, how did you originally hear about me, by the way?
Online.
Online. Awesome.
I saw your video.
You saw my video?
I did.
Yes.
And just, I was hoping it was a person that cared about floors.
I appreciate that, and you can tell that from that, because I know you said you talked to a few other companies.
You did.
Yeah.
One was just wow.
Wow.
And it wasn't just the cost, but they required me to move everything out of those rooms upstairs and
Wow.
like moving.
Yep.
I can't do that.
Yep.
That's what's wrong with me now.
Yes, ma'am.
Too much stuff around and I hurt my back.
Gotcha. All right, well, let me go ahead and see what my guys got going. All right, guys, so that's all I'm saying. People do research, and that's why she chose me. She said, I can tell that you know what you're doing when it comes to these floors. What's up, man? Everything going good? All right, all right. Yep. Yeah. Yeah.
See that? That's wax on the floor. Can you zoom in? Can I zoom in? Oh yeah, that's all. Look at that. Yep, look at all that wax, guys. We're sucking it up back into the machine. Look at that. Oh yeah. And also neutralizing the floor too. Yep. Yeah. So look at this area down here, guys. See how good? Now? Yep. Look at that. Look at this floor now. Residue wax free. Look at that, beautiful.
We just got downstairs. Tavares is emulsifying the wax in the kitchen area, as you can see. And also, too, I just showed Miss Peggy. Look at that dirty water dump we just got from upstairs. So
That doesn't say anything about my house thing, but I've been waiting until I get the floors done.
Uh-huh.
Well, and everything.
Yep.
And just have
guys, this is gonna do it. The wax has been removed from these floors. Look at these floors now. back to their original state. Again, this is a pre-finished solid Brazilian cherry floor, which means this floor can be sanded. But a lot of sanding guys do not like sanding pre-finished floors because of that thick aluminum oxide coating. And we got her furniture put back for Miss Peggy as well. Oh yeah. All right, let's see from there, guys. Look at that. All right. All right. All right, guys. See you in the next one.